Alright, we are going to do a quick, just see what these Federal power-shok hollow point 180 grains are actually doing out of the rifle barrel, feet per second. Nothing more, nothing less. So let's get on with that show. Yeah. Scoot. $21.10. That is a lot more than off the box. Let's go with another one. $20.97. 44 Magnum. Out the rifle. Woo! And a third one for the charm. $20.84. So we'll just, it's a big oomph. That is a big oomph. Accuracy wise, my like I said, this rifle likes the lighter ones a lot better accuracy. But I mean, as y'all seen how the bullets are flattening out so much on expansion test. I mean, I'm 50-50. Really, screw it. Headshots on hogs all day long. Pow pow. But there we go. It's interesting. Definitely interesting. When the box is saying 1460, so we're shooting 600 feet more per second. And there you go. For the non-believers out there, if you can see it, yes. And there you are.